Yo guys, what's up and welcome to the stream. So since the live stream, the last live stream, I've actually done some fixes. I've also done some improvements and also added a few things and also some improvements to the performance as well. So you're going to see all that because I'm going to jump in game and show you all the improvements, and then possibly we might be able to get into some into the to-do list and get some fixes going. So those are the things we might get up to today. But before we actually jump into the gameplay and I show you what I've done, let me just quickly jump over to here. And if you're actually watching the live afterwards, jump a bit forward to the gameplay. But pretty much I'm just going to copy this link. I'm just going to let everybody know what's going on. So everyone join me live. So we can go like that. I can grab that. Hopefully that's going to be good. Yep, that looks good. I can go to here, just one more after this, guys. One more sec. That should be good like that. Now I can actually get rid of that. I could actually also get rid of this as well. And so let's jump straight in game and I'll show you what I've done. And then, well, you're actually going to see one of the things that I've added straight away, but I've actually sort of just finalized what we've been working on. I've done a lot of fixes. There's still a little bit of work that needs to be done to the zombies, but they're a lot better now. So we'll actually get that into all that in the stream. Let me actually just quickly open YouTube on my phone while before we actually go. Oh yeah, I can just go straight into there. Go down like that. All right, share that to the one viewer. But yeah, it takes a while to load because the map's quite big. But I'm going to address the elephant in the room. As you can see at the top of the screen, we now have a compass, which sort of it sort of highlights you know, north's obviously yellow, but it sort of highlights where west is, but it gives you the degrees that you're actually looking at in between each sort of direction. So you know, obviously you know, there's 360 degrees I believe all up for, you know, for like, you know, for a whole circle. So it's 360 degrees, that's 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and then there's northeast sort of thing. But that's how that works. And as you can see, the HUD just sort of changed a little on the bottom. I just sort of made the icons a bit smaller just to make it a bit more unique to our game. But let's show you the other things that I've added. You'll actually notice a massive increase in performance as well. Actually, because I've actually removed lumen, because beforehand lumen was it wasn't as I don't think lumen's good for open worlds, so I had to turn it off, and actually it actually increased performance massively. I also of course I've got the source build. I was actually able to go into the source configuration and change the VRAM percentage from 70% to 95%. It's capped at 70% for some reason. That's why I was getting that VRAM warning in the last stream. But I've made it to 95%. So actually, like the engine and the game now is getting more access to the video card, so it's going to run better on my PC and also on your PC. So I increased that to 95, which is the max sort of thing. But we don't get that error anymore. And the major reason why, what's going on here? Why can't I? Oh, that's right, because I'm in here. So stat FPS, as you can see, oh, it's down to about 30, 40. Well, actually, that's normal. That was normal from before. But let's leave this the FPS. So it's about 40 FPS. It increased about 10 FPS or almost from about 5 to 10. But as you can see, it's I don't know if it's actually lagging on the stream, but it's a lot more. The performance is a lot better. I've actually removed lumen, and the only downside to removing lumen was the only thing lumen was given us was dark interiors. So as you can see, these are no longer dark because I'm not using lumen no more. So this sort of doesn't really matter. You know, I don't have a flashlight. Now I do. I cannot pick that up first. Oh, I don't have any free inventory slots. Oh, that's right. So there's a bug. We have to fix that bug. Anyway, I found another bug. So yeah, those are the improvements for that. So minus all those bugs. But anyway, let's see. I'll show you what happens now. Actually, let's see if I can show you now quickly with the handgun. As you can see, the crosshair, you know, when I shoot the bullet, it gets empty. But as you can see, it will start to go orange and then red sort of when you're about to run out of ammo. That's actually built into ATPS, but what I want to do is it turns orange and red for each clip. But what I want to do is like to indicate, because I'm not going to add any more crosshair for the weapons. Like you're not really going to know how much ammo you got, but I'm going to indicate your second last clip and your last clip. So if you're shooting and it's white, you know you've got at least 2 clips. But once it turns yellow, you know you've got 1 clip left. And once it turns red, you know that's the last clip. So you know it sort of indicates when you need to add ammo from your inventory into your weapon. But yeah, so oh yeah, that's right. It doesn't go so oh, and what's going on here? We're actually getting that problem again. See all the bullets just floating? I don't know if you can see that on the stream. Let me try and see right next to right next to the handgun. See all the bullets floating? I think that's a collision setting inside the trigger box here. Because if I go outside the trigger box, let me actually just try that. I just got to run about 50 meters or 80 meters this way, and then I'll be out of the trigger box, and then I can determine if that's the actual problem. So oh no. Oh shit! Oh, there's a other addition, the blood screen. But, oh yeah, that guy's fast. Well, anyway, there's another problem too. Because when I respawn, I give you a totally different character, and I transfer over your controller. But the zombie sort of gets confused after you die. So there's issues with the zombies. After we spawn, but we can look into all that sort of stuff. So there's a bit of gameplay anyway. So let's jump into some of the issues. So now the first issue is when I clear the inventory. What I've got to do is, instead of clearing it, I've got to actually, let me go here to just remember. I've got to go to saves. I can remove my save file. So I remove that, and now what I'm looking for is the player inventory UI widgets menu. Oh, actually, no, that's what's happening. I'm clearing it on the player controller. So player main, player blueprints, player controller. Am I clearing it here? No, I'm not clearing it here. Where am I clearing it? Oh, on possess, I believe. Oh, maybe I'm clearing it here. Here, this is where I'm clearing it. Alright. So this doesn't want to work like that. Doesn't want to get cleared. So what I've got to do is I've got to turn all these slots. Oh, that's right. Clear. Oh, that's right. Set up inventory. Save game. I've got to set up inventory grid. So I need to go to the controller components. Or the character component. Yeah, there's no setup grid here. I've got to go to the character component for the inventory. There, and we should have like a setup inventory. It's not here. Must be here. Should be a loop doing empty slots. On possess, do all that. Load inventory, save. Load the save. Update inventory grid. Okay, set up inventory grid. That's what we want. I think that's what we want to call from the set up inventory grid in the widget. All right, we'll do that. So we want to set up inventory grids in widgets. Yes, I got the widget. So now I cleared it. Now I've got to set up inventory grid. All right, so that should fix that. So now I should actually have an inventory when I spawn, because I'm not setting it up. So, but that's upon. Oh yeah, because it's possessed. All right, so that's That's good. It's the player inventory. That's for the future reference. The item content is yeah, I can clear it and then I can maybe get it again. Hopefully that's going to work like that. So it clears it and then I get it again. Hopefully it's going to work like that, but we'll find out. But there's that fix done. So let's do that. Jump in game, see how it goes. But yeah, I'm not quite sure how much better the performance is on the stream, but it should be much better. And something could have potentially, because I was getting 40 to 50 frames per second. I went from about what it's at 30 or a little bit lower to what it's at now to about 40 to 50 frames per second. But that's in the editor. So that means like with the built game, I'd be getting 60, 70, maybe 80 frames a second in the game. So if you got because I haven't got a beast PC, like it's like mid-range sort of thing. So if you've got a good PC, you'd be getting probably 120 frames per second, like the actual developer shows the performance of this map where you can actually get 120 frames per second. So I've actually increased the performance to this map by turning everything to nano. I've turned off lumen, which actually made everything look better. And there's the other addition. As you can see, the top left, the location now pops up and doesn't pop up every 5 seconds. Because what was happening in the last live stream, it was popping up every time a zombie spawned inside the trigger location. So that was the issue there. So don't have an inventory. So set up inventory grid is not what we want. I like getting errors because I don't know what's to go. It doesn't know what the inventory, the widget. So I've potentially got to change that. Oh, that doesn't exist. Leave inventory menu. Where's the other set? There it is. Show inventory menu. Oh, this is setting up the grid. Oh wait, that's good the other way around. Oh wait, no. Okay, so this, I must call that show inventory menu. So that's the only place it's setting it again. Oh, so we get it from the menu. It's getting it from the menu. Let's show inventory menu. Update inventory grid. That'll have to be it. SRV, is it SRV? Update inventory grid on the owning clients. Yeah. Alright, that should be the actual one we wanted. If you ever wondered why it's so hard to control these, what you've got to do is you can't go there to grab it. You've got to go right to the edge. See how it goes like that, and then you can click on it, and then you get the box around it. So, because some people can't figure that out. It took me a while to figure that out actually. So there we go. Player inventory, that should be the fix. So now I should actually get an inventory. Let's just remove this again just in case. Go back to here. Yep, save all, go to here. We'll jump back in game. We'll see how that goes. I can't think of all the things I fixed, but you can see some of the things I added. And with the UI, that's all the UI that's going to be on the screen. I'm not adding any more HUD to the screen. It's just going to be the way it is now, pretty much clean. Just compass and HUD stats. And your money, you'll be able to see how much money you got by opening your inventory. I'm going to put it in your inventory somewhere. Put it like here or somewhere, or maybe up like here, so you got to open your inventory to see it, and something is happening here. I think because, oh, that's right, because it's obviously clearing it. Uh, Controller. So clearing it is not good. Um, I've got an idea. I'm just gonna see. I like to just get things working. Doesn't matter how unoptimized it is. I'll optimize it later. So, uh, player inventory. What we want to do is just turn them all into empty slots, I guess. For each loop, we can turn them into empty slots, I think. Wait. Set element array. I have to make a local player inventory, which is a S inventory. Yep, we can just store it all in here, I guess. The index would be here. I want a size to fit. Oh, wait. I think it's empty, is it? 0, 0, 0. That should work like that. So now when it's completed, we want to set this as this. But what we want to do is we want to clear this just in case we come back and then it doesn't think it's... Wait, we're looping through that, and oh, that's right, we're just duplicating it that way. All right. Yeah, that looks good. That should actually fix it now. So we're doing that, and then we want to update the inventory grid because we just updated it. So that should actually work now. All right, we'll see what happens there. Shout out to the 2 viewers. All right, so this should be good. I should just at least be able to see my inventory, which is just the slots because it doesn't exist right now. Like, because when you clear it, I think it. Oh, interesting. Oh wait, no, because it's a struct. Yeah. All right. No. So serious inventory problems. So what we're going to do is we're just going to bypass all of it and just have the inventory when we die. If for some reason it doesn't work, I know I'll stuff something up by clearing the player inventory. I can just duplicate that from another one anyway. Okay. All right. Now that should be good. We want to remove that. Save all. Shout out to the 2 viewers. Jump in the chat, guys. Let me know where you're watching from. I'm curious to know where you guys are watching from. Like what country, what time zone, what time it is there, what time zone and that. So I know if these are good times. I might actually try a nighttime stream because it is daytime for me. Might try a nighttime stream and see how they go. But for now, it's around this time. Around an hour ago this time. That's when I do it. Around 11 a.m. my time. Why does it say p.m.? Oh, because it is p.m. now. It's not a.m. So there you go. No, something serious has happened. Okay, so now what I can look at is the play inventory character components. It's an empty array. Maybe it wants to go here. Oh wait, it was updating an empty. Oh wow, that's. Is that what I was doing? I think I was. Yep, I was literally updating with nothing. We've got to update. Oh wait, now we've got to. Oh wow. Oh, this has got to go this way. Okay. I've got to clear it after I do this. So it was wrong. So I can clear it here because I need it here. Let's just do that. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do it every loop through the loop. Then we're going to go that way. But we want to update the inventory grid with that. So now it should actually work. Let's just. It doesn't matter if the array's empty because it has to be. But anyway, let's just see. Let's see what this is actually doing exactly. Okay, it's going there. It's setting up grids. If it's valid and is in the viewport, so I need to do setup inventory grid directly. Yeah, I need to set up inventory grid directly from the widgets, which is from the controller actually. Inventory widgets. Set up inventory grids. No, we don't want to set up inventory grids there. We want to set up inventory grids. Well, we had to do it this way. Alright, so revert back. That's what we want. Hopefully that's going to work now. That should work. Sorry, just got a little bit confused there. Shout out to the 4 viewers. How you doing, Rafa, mate? Welcome back to the stream, mate. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Rafa or... Yeah, Rafa sounds good. Or Rafi? Rafi? Uh, we actually went pretty decent on the last live stream. We got 1,000 views in like 2 days. Over 1,000 views, which is like the best performing stream so far. Okay, so now inventory grids are not getting set up. Maybe all of this. Maybe because it needs the controller component first. I'm assuming. I hope anyway. It probably needs the, because I'm changing references here. Because I have to, like, because on a repossess. Or at least that's what I'm doing now. It's not 100% working, but the controller components. The character component. Alright, that should be good. So now that's set, then we can go for that. Yes, potentially. I don't think so, but we'll find out. Wait, now I've set it, I can, maybe it's not this. Maybe we don't need to do that. Because I'm just using it to set it there. We can just go maybe like that. And then like this. Oh, let's see if that works. I don't know, but we'll see. Hey, what am I doing? Save all, save all. Alright, let's jump back in game, check it out. Should be good. I just want to get, like, if this doesn't work, we're just going to ignore the inventory system. Or maybe remove all that code because it doesn't like it. Maybe empty is not a thing. It needs to be none instead of empty. That's what I'm assuming. I can find that out. I'm pretty sure it needs to be none, not empty. Because if it is none, then it classes it. I think none is an empty slot instead of empty. Yeah, that could be it. Yeah, potentially. Update inventory grid. Set up inventory grid. Item row name. Create item menu, close item menu, drop item menu. Split stack. Okay, we don't need any of that. Save inventory to save. Set up. Oh, that's right. Maybe I'm not on possessed. On controller possessed. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this, all of it. For now, hopefully it will revert back. If it isn't, something else is seriously wrong, then we can just ignore that for now and jump to something else. So that's good. That's good. Now it should just like revert. Alright, it should be good now. At least it should be working again. Well, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to reset the inventory for the new character because it transfers over. So hopefully now it would just be working again, and when I die I'll just have the inventory again. But If the inventory is just not showing, that's another bug then, I guess. And then we'll just move on to something else because it'd just be boring, going back and forth, getting confused all the time. Oh, yeah, no, let's go into a new. Alright, to-do list. Alright, we got fix zombie detection plus controller switch problem. We got fix zombie manager to spawn zombies initially. We got make zombies detect if they can reach the player or not, and this one is like the ammo crosshair count. So make ammo count crosshair detect last clip. This is actually a message from the ATPS developer. I actually talked to him on Discord. His support system for ATPS is unmatched. It's really good. And instead of leaking out DMs, I sort of just put it there. So this is what he tells me to do there for that. But we also got to place more pickup and zombie spawns at the other locations. I've only done that at the one location I'm at now. So let's maybe look into this one. So for the crosshair, ATPS doesn't keep track of the number of mags left, but you can calculate it by using reserved ammo reserve divided by the sum of the chamber size and mag size. Okay, so total ammo divided by the chamber size and the mag size. If its value is above 1, then you have more than one mag worth of bullets. If 1 of 0, then you are on your final mag. Okay, then you can replace those rounds left. And alright, so that's inside the UI material instance. No, not the instance, the material. I'm just not like knowledgeable in this stuff. This stuff twists my brain, and wait for your brain to be actually twisted right now. You will understand in about 2 seconds. So this is the crosshair material. That's what makes this happen. Goes from white to yellow to red. Look at this spaghetti. Like, it's not spaghetti. It's it's not bad. But look at this. Like, what does this mean? What on earth? What type of mathematician do you need to be able to create this type of material? I still don't even know what these fully mean. Like this. Like rounds max. Like this is what we want to change actually. Oh well, there's 2 of them. So this is what we need to change. So right now currently, wait, what type of well, let me go up to here because this is the first one I looked at. So this is what we've got to work out. So this is where we can do the divide. But where, like, rounds left main, it's just a value of 8, right? Like, where do you get the information for the rounds left main? There's no graph, like parameters. Like, where does the information come from for the rounds? Like this, it doesn't make sense. Like. Find references? Oh, you can't even find references. So yeah, this is an absolute brain twister. So if anyone watching right now, even if it's after the live, jump into the comments and give me some enlightenment because yeah, I don't think I'm just going to be able to do this based off this. Even though he probably tried to put it into layman's terms as much as he could, but. Fix zombie manager to initially spawn. We could potentially work on that. We only need weapons for that. So let's go to the zombie manager. There's changes made. Hopefully I didn't destroy it. Or did I? I think I did. Yes, I did. Hopefully that doesn't go to white. Oh, yeah, I accidentally broke it somehow. Okay, lucky. Alright, we need to double check that still works. Let's go to the zombie manager. So what's happening now is the zombies, for some reason, just aren't spawning at the spawns like like through the manager. When I place them down, it works. So AI zombie blueprints manager. So there, let's try this. So let's just see what happens. Actually, I might need to. Where are these guys? I've got to remove these guys first. All the way down here. This guy to this guy needs to be removed. We've got spawns. Zombie spawns. That's good. We don't need to place them down. Alright, that's good. So now, theoretically, actually, no, we want to place another zombie spawn. Over here so we can just see if one spawns. Oh. Because if a zombie doesn't spawn here, it means something is wrong. Like, I don't know, maybe I can't spawn them in a loop. I've got to, like, put a delay on it or something, but zombie spawn. Alright. That's good. So now let's see if the zombies actually spawn with the manager. Yeah, that's good. The manager is actually in the world. Yeah, pickup manager, spawn manager, nice. Everything's good. Save current level, save all, and hopefully we will see a zombie spawn here after 5 seconds, I think it is. Shout out to the 4 viewers. If you're watching, you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. You actually pop up on screen. I got the alerts going. Or if you'd like to contribute to the channel, hit the like button to notify YouTube to show these streams to more people. We seem to only get the views after the streams, not quite during the streams. Maybe because I'm doing it at 11 AM in Australia and it's nighttime everywhere else. So I might try a nighttime stream, see how it goes. Yeah, the inventory didn't magically fix itself. That's good to know. Oh wait, he spawned. Oh yeah, he just didn't know what to do when he spawned. Wow, that's good. So there's one of them. Whoa, he's super fast. So there's one of them. Let's see if I can attract some more. If I get at least one more zombie, yes. Alright, that's good, that's good. They're spawning now for some reason. Maybe I just couldn't find them before. That's good. I've got 3 on me now. Oh. They're super fast, those evolved ones. Oh, there's another one, nice.
We have a new subscriber.
Oh, nice. Shout out to the new subscriber. I can't quite see it. Actually, I think I might in about 15 seconds on the stream. But shout out to the new subscriber. Welcome to the channel, mate. Oh, that's good to know. That's good to know. The zombies are working, so that's done. All right, so that's done. Done. Nice. Make zombies detect if they are reached to play. Actually, also I've got to remove player is dead bull, because I don't like it. Instead of using the is player dead bull, I can just, because I tried to add that to fix the sense player bug, but I'm just going to do that. So what we can do is go into here. Is player dead bull. Yeah, we have to move that. Actually, that actually might work. I'm actually going to test to see if they like if they're still bugged. See if they still work, because maybe spawning from the manager changes it. Like potentially, I don't know. Maybe I have to, because you'll see the bugs anyway. There's one issue where like a zombie will come up to you and then it will sort of forget that it has to punch you. That was an issue, and also when you respawn into a new player, it sort of when it attacks you, your HUD doesn't update, but your health actually does get decreased and you do die. So that's the only two issues really. So there's that guy. We can get rid of him because he's just going to be a nightmare. All right, that works. But what I want to test is actually that's what I want to test. That if I actually die, but let's have fun and as you can see in the last live stream, the parallax was all messed up, but now it's fixed. It was just a setting. It was just a collision setting. Oh, these guys got heaps of health, man. Oh, this is useless. Handguns are useless to these guys. Oh, man. Alright. Half of my health's gone. And also, oh yeah, I can't show you. There's sounds now for, and also when you run out of ammo, like instead of it just not shooting, it now clicks, like the trigger click. It's just a simple click, but I've got to add a proper trigger click right now. It's the click that comes with ATPS, so it just it indicates that you've got no ammo in your clip to shoot. But where's this other? There should be another guy down this way. Yep, there he is right there. Look, they don't move for some reason, so they don't... Yeah, so they stand still until they first get detected. That's another bug. But let's make this guy kill it. As you can see, I made the normal zombies a little bit faster. But yeah, that's what happens when you... See how he's still attracted to me? That's an issue. He's meant to just start roaming again. Oh, now I've got my inventory for some reason. Okay. Let me just find a weapon now. I'll show you the clicking sound. So what I'll do is I'll jump into the inventory and start showing you some of the inventory stuff. Oh, I don't think I've actually put pickups in this house. No, I haven't. Oh no, because there's zombies nearby, that's why. Yeah, we don't want this guy here. We can get rid of that. But, there's no pickups in these houses. I forgot these were actually houses. So, which house was it? This one here. It's only one. I'm not going to put any in here. Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to. It's actually real easy to put pickups, guys. So, you'll see in a sec. Player, inventory, blueprints, pickup spawn. We can go like that with the -90 on that. But actually, we'll put it here. Alright, so that's that one. There's only a couple houses here. These small ones are... Oh, wow. Alright, that's just going to have to work. There's the big house, but we've got this little house here. Let's put one there like that with a... Oh. With a 45? -45? Yeah, that works. Alright. Should I put some in here? Yeah, I'm gonna have to. As you can see, there's 6...
We have a new subscriber.
Oh, shout out to the new subscriber. Welcome to the channel, mate. So what I've got to do is I've got to remove that. I've got to put these in the pickups. And then I've got to remove this zombie folder as the actual thing. Remove that. Go like that, go like that, go back. So pickups can now be the current folder. So now they'll go into there. Yeah, that goes good there. We can put like a 20-degree thing on that. -20. Yeah, that works. Alright. So there's that one done. Should I put... Oh, there's only 3 of them. Yeah, I'm gonna put them in there. So you'll know that every single interior has items spawning in it, sort of thing. Yeah, let's go 110. No, let's go 70. Yeah, that's good. 80. There we go. Alright. So we done that one, and now we just got this one, and then the house, and we should be good. Let's go 180 on that. That works. Now this one last house. So there's 69 pickups in this one location, guys. Pickup spawn locations, and each location will spawn one item. We'll put one there, but I also want to. I like to put. I've got a new format. I sort of put a couple in the middle, sort of thing. Yeah, that's gonna work. Got one in that one. Well, this is quite big, this place. Put one here. What is it? Minus 110. Minus 125. Minus 155. Minus 145. Minus 135. Alright, that's good. We can duplicate that and go. Yeah, that works there. Alright, good. Is there an upstory? I mean, upstairs? Oh, wait. Is this one of those buildings that's got an upstairs, but there's no staircase to get up there? No, it's a one story. Okay. We're going to put one here. What's that? A minus 135 or something? No, it's a minus 90. Or a minus 60? Minus 45. There we go. Oh, this is an entrance, so we can, we'll just throw on here. That's good. We'll put a 180 on that. And that's us. So that is that house done. So now there is 77. Nice double-digit number. There is 77 pickups in this place. Let's see. Actually, let me give you an idea of where they're all placed. So I can go like this and look. So there's 1, 2, 3. Oh wait. So in that house, that house, that house, that house, there. There's tons of pickups, guys. I've even added more since the last stream in there. So there is heaps of pickups. So let's actually go and test the pickups. Pick up some stuff because now our inventory is all good for some reason. But that's good to know. Now I can identify the bug quicker. But anyway, guys, how are you doing? Camelius Games, mate. Welcome to the stream. Bro, can I jump on game scene can I jump from one game scene to another? Bro, how can I jump from one game scene to another? What do you mean, from like a level to another level? Simply use the node open level by name. Yeah, open level by name. Just put it anywhere on a button press, wherever, and that will just open the level. So there you go, bang. I love that little location pop up now. It's got a nice fade on it. But we actually got pickups here now. Very nice. What have we got? We've got $24. This is the first time we've seen money. Like right now, I don't have any free inventory, obviously, because my inventory stuff. But anyway, let's go check out some of these pickups. Oh, these are only got one. Let's check out this house because this should have a. So this will be the first house that we're going to loot all the time. So what do we got? We've got water bottles. We've got a revolver. We've got canned food. This is still the same random bull, which it says it's uniformed. I'm not 100% sure what that means. But there's 28 rounds of 12 gauge shotgun rounds. But when I die, my inventory, so let's just die so I can get my inventory back. Actually, oh, I can just pick up a gun by looting anyway. So let's just go and commit suicide to, by a zombie. So then we can test the inventory because we'll get our inventory back. Well, I hope we do it because we got it back last time. So see, nah, this is the issue. The spawns are not sparsely loaded. What I think's oh no, there's one. It's all good. There's the blood screen, nothing too dramatic, but oh, see, he's attracted to me again. No, that's a serious bug. But we do have inventories, very nice. Welcome to Russellbrook. Well, it doesn't say welcome, but at least you know what location you're at, sort of thing. So when you like see a town in a distance, you get close by, you're like, oh, this is that town. Like 20. Oh yes. Like this ain't actually going to go in your inventory. Like now it just does, but this is actually just going to go. Like I'm going to put like maybe some information up here or something and put your money there. But now we've got 24 bucks. Not bad. Let's just go straight into here. I've got to get a gun straight away. Like, alright, we've got water. Nice, nice. Oh, I've got to actually make that stack automatically. It doesn't. Oh, we've got a nice gun. And when you actually pick up weapons, they actually have ammo in them. So, like when you pick up ammo like this, let me actually show you the sound. So I can go like this and go all. And there you go. There's the ammo sound. So, yeah, everything's, pick up a revolver. Nice. Got some canned food. We'll need that soon. Alright. Let's have a little playthrough and try and, survive. But we'll loot. I don't think I actually put something in here, or did I? Yes, I did. Oh, beautiful. We've got tons of, shotgun rounds now. Shotgun ammo. Only 2 pounds of 2 pounds of weight there. No, I might as well pick up that. I think that's a bit overkill for a survival game. Let me know, guys. What do you reckon about the AR-15? Like, I don't know if it's overkill. Like, couple handguns. Like, see how this is not dark in here? It sort of defeats the purpose for the flashlight. But when like now I thought, like when I thought about it, like when it's actually dark outside, it's going to be dark inside, sort of thing. So the flashlight's going to be needed at night time. So during the day, you'll just be able to see. Because what lumens are, oh, does reflections like that. But lumen's just realistic lighting sort of thing. So I turned it off to save heaps of performance. Trust me, you would thank me. You would complain if I left lumen on, sort of thing. By the time you got the game, sort of thing. Look at this, the round of ammo. It might be only spawning that type of ammo. We've got to check, keep tabs on that. But as you can see, heaps and heaps of loot. Oh, I didn't spawn anything here. Up here, I don't think. I've got to remember that. Let's go to these houses. Shout out to the free viewers. Oh, empty gas can. We don't need that. Well, we've got the flat. We might need that. Oh, there's no daytime or nighttime. That's something I might try and add next is daytime, nighttime, potentially weather as well, and water. Realistic water instead of this atrocity that we've got out here. Like, which is just like it's just like a water material blueprint. It's just a material, that's all it is. I want to try add like realistic water just to sort of make it look better. But yeah, we went in there. Let's go in here now. What we'll do is we'll grab a few more items and venture out because I believe there's about 7 zombies, and every time I kill a zombie within 60 seconds it will respawn back in the area. Oh, now I can actually use the flashlight. And I actually made the flashlight a lot brighter. It wasn't that bright, so it's super bright. It's twice as bright now, actually. Alright, so let's venture out. They should be attracted to gunshots. Also got to make blood effects for the zombies, so when you shoot them, it actually makes a sound that it's hitting flesh, the bullets. Because right now, as you can see, it's just impacting the zombie like it would impact the wall, sort of thing. So I've got to add those little details. Oh, man! Oh, as you can see, my HUD is not updating, but I'm literally nearly dead. I need to find a medikit, like, real quick. It's just a controller issue. Where's medikits? I have not found one medikit yet. But this hotel has heaps of rooms, and they all got pickups. No. No, handgun. Nothing. Oh, wait. Ammo. Yes, it is spawning out that ammo. That's good. Rifle. Rifle. Oh, rifle. 3 rifles in a row. Oh! Fuck. Like, I'm nearly dead. I need a medikit ASAP. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna run to these houses over here. There'd be heaps of loot in here. I just need a medikit, man. Oh, look at the frames dropping down to below 30. I think that's because I'm running it in the editor. Like, you're definitely going to get a better performance once the game's running. I mean, once the game's built and stuff. It's not going to be worse, I'll tell you that much. Like, well, we got nothing in here. Nothing. Yeah, all weapons. Maybe I have to potentially make weapons spawn. I'm just gonna make pickup spawn more often, like more chance of a pickup spawning than a weapon, because it's ridiculous the amount of weapons that are around. But it sort of makes you have to loot more. You know what I mean? If they're all pickups, you'd be able to just, and you always look at that. I cannot enter here. I think it's the height of the, it could be the height of that, the collision of the actual roof. Let's see if I can get in the back door. The character blueprint nodes. What do you mean? The character I'm using is ATPS, Advanced Third Person Shooter Template. Oh, I could go in that way. Yeah, there's collisions like right here. I think it's the collision of this roof. So that needs to be fixed actually. So there's that. Oh, look, I can't even get out now. I literally cannot even get out now. I can't crouch because I haven't added that yet. Oh my god, you're kidding me. Oh, anyway, let's jump back in game. Can you show us the character blueprint nodes? Oh yeah. What do you mean by the character blueprint nodes, mate? I meant the event graph. The event graph for what? The character? It's a pretty big event graph. I've only done some slight customizations to it because I'm not trying to modify too much of it, but I'll show you in a sec. I'll show you after this. If I forget, just remind me. Oh, yeah, no, that's broken. Let's actually jump into a new thing. So, place, we don't need to do that. We can't do that. Maybe we can do this. So let's look at the, what did you want to look at? You wanted to look at the player blueprint. So here's the ATPS blueprints, character. Here's the base character. Anything that's white, you'll know it's custom for me, except these ones here. And like these ones, like that one is custom there. And that's custom. That's all I've added is just extended the def respawn and extended the pickup scanner. But this is the event graph for the character. And that is just the event graph. There's an input graph with all of these inputs. There's also like a million functions, or not a million, there's like 20 functions or something that's all got code in it. So yeah, it's pretty significant. If that's even the word to use, it's pretty big. Let's just say that. But there you go. Is that what you wanted to say, mate? Right now, what I'm looking for is Core AI Zombie Blueprints Behavior Tree. So is player in range? Update player location. That's not what we want. We want to chase nearest player. So right here, I'm just using a simple move to node. And I want to add logic that if it can't reach you, then it will try something else. Maybe try go to a different location nearby to try and get to you there. So instead, because if you've seen in the stream, when I was inside the interior, looking through the window and the zombies on the other side of the wall outside, it doesn't know that it has to run to me. It sort of gets stuck in one spot and tries to attack me, but it tries to run to me, but it can't. So what I need to do is add that type of logic. So we're in here. So reach. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that here. I need to work out some sort of process to try and reach the player first, and then if I can't reach the player, I'll do something else instead of that. So that's the idea for that one anyway. So let's see how long we've been going for. Oh, we've been going for an hour, man. So that actually went quick, actually. So yeah, there's nothing really more I can show you. I've showed you a bit of gameplay. These all need to be sort of looked into more. But yeah, that's pretty much probably where we're at. So I don't want to keep these like super long, these live streams. But if you do want them to go longer, let me know in the comments. Even after the stream in the actual video comments, if you'd like them to go longer, maybe we can keep them a little bit longer. But yeah, but for today it's just going to be an hour. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. So I've showed you some of the additions and improvements that I've done. There's still some more bugs, but yeah, things are getting slightly better and better. So let me think a second. What was I planning to work on next? Yeah, the water and maybe the weather. But potentially, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek, guys, of what could potentially be the next edition, which is an asset which has already been purchased. But it's the character skins. So we've got a male and female character. So let's go into the meshes. And as you can see, it's modularized. So we can start out, you can start out with you know, no clothes, and then if you find some pants, you put some pants on, you turn into that. If you find a shirt, you turn into that. You know what I mean? But and like, or you can just customize your character into something like this. You know what I mean? Because you know that's an attachment, that's an attachment, that's an attachment. There's attachments that go around the legs and stuff. Like the shirt's an attachment, pants an attachment, the shoes an attachment. You know what I mean? But yeah, what I need to do to actually get these working is I need to because the skeleton for this character doesn't have the same bones, or it's missing. Yeah, the ATPS skeleton is missing some bones that this character has, which bones. So the eyeballs actually have logic and to be able to move. So the eyeballs can move. So I with NPCs, vendors and that, I can actually make their eyeballs move. So it looks like they're sort of looking at you, sort of thing. But yeah, so that's pretty much might be the next. I say it might be because I actually have to retarget, do some retargeting, skeleton retargeting, and possibly add some bones and stuff. So I haven't really quite done that before, and apparently it's pretty hard. So I might be able to get that done by the next stream, but if I don't, it'll be possibly something else. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much where we're at for this live stream. If you want to stay updated on this game, make sure you hit the like button and consider subscribing. And we'll see you in the next live stream, which will, if it's not tomorrow, to be the next day. So we'll see you then, guys. Peace.